You still got a duck behind you.
There you go.
He's a shallow water duck, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, they've got ones that want to hang around the tube, and then other ones just are.
Just kind of around.
So the
Yeah, it's good.
good job. I'm gonna go in if you're not gonna go in, Bruce.
Going in.
Last my maneuver up, put a little back pedal and turn to the front. And we're gonna do that. Oh, ducks. Trying to sit in the middle. Okay, so now let's go pick up.